Lost or expired Red Card. Here's how to replace it. For iOS, open the Dasher app, go to the Account tab, tap Dasher Red Card, then tap Physical Card Lost or About to Expire. Confirm. For Android, open the three-dot menu in the Dasher app, tap Red Card, then tap Physical Card Lost or About to Expire. Confirm to get a digital replacement instantly. For iOS, go to the Account tab, tap Dasher Red Card, then tap Add to Apple Wallet. Select your phone, accept the terms, and your card is ready. For Android, go to the Red Card page. Tap Add to GPay, then Add Payment Card. Wait for the card to fill in, enter your address if prompted, accept the terms, and you are all set. To order a physical replacement, request one for free from the DoorDash store. Once received, open the Dasher app, go to the Red Card section, and tap Activate a physical card. If you get an error, update the app, close it, and reopen. Once activated, you can also add it to your phone wallet for contactless payments. Now you are ready to dash again.